Hey friends, we're going to sing about plants and flowers and things that grow today. It's springtime, things are growing outside so fast. I don't know if you noticed, but everything's so green right now and it's growing so quickly. You look outside and everything's just bigger. All right, so we're going to talk about how that happens. We're going to start with this one, a book. It's called Seeds Grow. So we're going to see how they grow in the ground. All right, let's see. We plant some seeds in the ground. Look, she's got them in her hand and she's dropping them in and they're covering them with their little toes. Isn't that cute with the dirt? Yeah, you've got to cover it with dirt and keep it protected. We sprinkle water on the ground. Yep, either it rains or you can water it with the watering can. Yeah, you've got to give it water. Let's see what's next. Soon roots push out. Look at that, they're standing on top of the dirt and the roots are going down into the dirt, into the ground. Then down, down, down. Yeah, they go down into the dirt and they make the plant strong. Little shoots now come out. Oh, look, they're looking. Look at that little bitty green. Yeah, so it starts to grow out of the ground. That's when we start to see it. Then the shoots start to sprout. Look at that. So under the earth, the seed's broken open and the roots are growing down and it's going up, up, up. Look at that. And look what these are. What are these guys? They're worms. Yeah. Worms are really good for the soil because they keep it nice and loose. So look at that. They're crawling around. They're so happy. Worms probably have a good time down there in the dirt. The leaves unfold one by one. The buds grow up towards the sun. Look at that. They're growing leaves, and as they get bigger and bigger, they're starting to grow into a flower, and there's a bud. Looks like it's going to be a yellow flower. The petals unfold and turn to gold. Look at that. What a sight to behold. Looks like these are sunflowers. Yeah. Aren't they pretty? They started from a seed. Rain showers water the flowers. Even after the flowers are grown, they still need water. So yeah, the rain is falling down. Bees buzz here and there. Bzz. They help the flowers grow. Sweet smells fill the air. Pretty sunflowers are everywhere. Look, they're smelling them. They must smell good. Lots of flowers. Yeah. So that's how that works. So let's look at that process again. So we're going to start with some dirt. The soil is dark brown. The soil is dark brown. It happens in a garden. The soil is dark brown. So it can be soil. It can be called dirt or earth. But yeah, it's dark brown. All right. So then the first thing we do, the gardener plants the seeds. The gardener plants the seeds. It happens in a garden. The gardener plants the seeds. Yeah, you're going to plant some seeds with your fingers. And then the rain falls down. The rain falls down. It happens in a garden. The rain falls down. We need the raindrops to water the seeds, right? What else do we need? Do you remember from the book? I'm going to put it on. It shines in the sun, in the sky. The sun shines bright. The sun shines bright. It happens in a garden. The sun shines bright. Yeah, the seeds need water and they need sun. And then the seed starts to grow and the roots shoot down. The plant grows up. It happens in a garden. The plant grows up. So out of the seed, the roots start to form and they go down into the ground and the plant starts to sprout up. Yeah, it's a little sprout. And then as time goes and the water comes down and the sun shines, it might grow into a big flower. A flower shoots up, a flower shoots up. It happens in a garden, the flower shoots up. Look at those roots that have grown. Yeah. And maybe a flower. This is a sunflower again. And it grows up, 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 up. Yeah. And then out of that flower will come seeds and it all starts over again. It's a big cycle. Yeah. So fun. All right, I have some pretend flowers here that I want to show you. And here they are. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? They're all different. And if you had smell-o-vision, you could smell. I sprayed them with stuff, so they smell pretty good. So I've got 10 flowers here. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little flowers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 flowers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little flowers, 10 little flowers growing in the spring. Do you remember what they need? Water. They do. Give those flowers lots of water. Give those flowers lots of water. Give those flowers lots of water so they will grow in the spring. What else do they need that shines high in the sky? Do you remember? Sun. That's right. Give those flowers lots of sunshine. Can you make a sun? Give those flowers lots of sunshine. Give those flowers lots of sunshine so they will grow in the spring. Get back in there, flower. And then sometimes they also need food. Can you pretend to sprinkle some food? Give those flowers lots of food. Give those flowers lots of food. Give those flowers lots of food so they will grow in the spring. Yeah, they like the sun and the rain and the food. So something else that you might be able to grow. Actually, before I do that, I wanted to show you the different flowers. So this is a rose, in case you're interested. This is a rose. This is called a hydrangea. Isn't that pretty? This is a lily. Those are out right now. This is called a daisy. So cute. And there's our sunflower. We've seen that already. Here is a mum. We see those in the fall. And here's a rose. It's a rosebud. It hasn't really opened yet, but when it opens, it'll look like this one. Look at that. Yeah. And this is lavender. Yep. Can you see that? Smells really good. All right. So something else that you can grow inside your house are plants. I have lots of plants. Yeah, I do. I have lots of plants because I like them. And I wanted to talk about what we can do to grow plants. So you're going to help me grow a plant. I've got one trying to kind of peek out right there. Do you see it? We're going to pretend to help grow this plant. What should we name this plant? It's nice to name your plants. I haven't named all mine actually. Should we name it? How about we name it Lily? Yeah, let's name it Lily. So Lily needs the same thing as the flowers did. Give that plant lots of water. Give that plant lots of water. Look, she's growing. Give that plant lots of water so she will grow nice and tall. It's working. Let's give her some sunshine now. Can you help give me sunshine? Give Lily lots of sunshine. Give Lily lots of sunshine. Look at her grow. Give Lily lots of sunshine so she will grow nice and tall. Something else, we could give her some plant food. Give Lily lots of plant food. Give Lily lots of plant food. Look at that. Give Lily lots of plant food. She's getting taller, so she will grow nice and tall. You know, sometimes people talk to their plants. It's nice to say nice things to them. So how about we tell her some nice things like, Lily, you're so pretty. Tell Lily lots of nice things. Oh, Lily, thank you for growing so tall. You make me happy. Tell Lily lots of nice things. Wow, it's working. Look at how she's growing. Tell Lily lots of nice things. You're so pretty and green, Lily. So she will grow so tall. We did it. She grew so tall. Wow, isn't she pretty? Yeah. So if you give indoor plants water and sun and you say nice things to them and some plant food, they'll grow too. And you might want to name them. I don't know. You don't have to. So I thought that would be fun. All right, so let's look at some flowers with some letters on them. You're going to help me figure out the starting sound of some of the words and the ending sound for some of the words. Let's start with the starting. So I've got an A flower here. I'll show you. And a B flower. So we're going to think of A words, words that start with A. And then words that start with a B. And you're going to help me decide where the petals go. Let's see. Let's start with this guy. Alligator, alligator, ah, ah, ah. Is that an A sound or a B sound? Ah, ah. Yep, it's an A sound. Did you get that one? Yeah, it's an alligator. One petal down. Let's see. How about butterfly, butterfly, b, b, b. B. Is that a B sound or an A sound? B, b. It's a B sound. Good job. It goes on the B flower. Good. How about ball, ball, b, b, b. That's kind of like butterfly, isn't it? It's a B sound. Did you get that one? It's a basketball. How about apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Is that a b, b, B sound or an ah, ah? It's an A sound. So smart. Yeah, apple. How about, do you know what that is? It's an axe. Axe, axe, ah, ah, ah. Does that sound like b, b, b or ah, ah? It does. It sounds like an A. It's an A sound. Axe. How about you sleep in it? It's a bed. Bed, bed, b, b, b. Is it an ah, ah, ah sound or a b, b, b? It is. It's a B sound. Good. Bed. How about, let's do this one. Ant, ant, ah, ah, ah. Is that a b, b sound or an ah, ah sound? Which one? Ant, ah, ah, ah. Yeah, you can even just look at my mouth. See, it's an ah sound, isn't it? Yeah. Ant, ah, ah, ah. Backpack, backpack, b, b, b. Is that an ah, ah, ah sound or a b, b sound? Yep, it's a B sound, backpack. Good. How about astronaut, astronaut, ah, ah, ah. Is that an ah, ah sound or a b, b, ah, astronaut? Yeah, it's an A. It's a big word. Last one. Bird, bird, b, b, b. Yeah, it's a B word, isn't it? Good. Okay, now the other ones, these are a little bit harder, but you can do it. You've got flowers, and we're going to work on the ending sound. So have an S sound and a k, k sound. Okay, so you're going to tell me if the word ends in a k, k sound or a s, s sound. Okay, let's see. Mouse, mouse. S, s, s. It ends in a s, s. Is that an S, s sound or a k, k sound? Mouse. Yep, it's an S sound. Same thing. You can kind of look at your mouth and you can see it's an S. Good. Mouse. How about it's milk? Milk, milk. K, k, k. Does that end in an S sound or a k, k? K. Yeah, look, I've got the word right here. K. It ends in a K. Milk. All right. How about, all right, this is a dinosaur, but they're pointing to his neck. Neck, neck. K, k. Is that an S sound or a k, k sound? Neck. Yep, it's a k, k. It's a K sound. Good. How about, look, it's a dog, but they're pointing to his nose. Nose, nose. Is that k or s? It is. It's a s sound. Nose. S sound. All right, we've got two mittens. Mittens, mittens. Is that s or k? Mittens. It's an S sound. Are you getting these? So smart. All right, we saw this on the bees, but we're gonna do it again. Backpack, backpack. Does it end in a s sound or a k? Backpack. Yep, it's a K sound, ends in a K. Good. All right, how about sock, sock? It ends in a k sound. Is that S or k? Sock. It's a k sound, good. That was a tricky one because it starts with an S sound, doesn't it? How about nurse, nurse, nurse? Does it end in a k sound or s sound? Nurse. Yep, it's a sound. Good. Last one. Kiss, kiss. She's kissing a frog. Isn't that silly? Is that a k sound or a s sound? Ends in a s. It's an S. Good job. Yeah. All right. Good job, friends. All right. So something else you can plant is food. I have a rainbow of food here. I thought I would just do it for you, and then we'll just sing it together. So we're going to sing the colors first. Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and purple too. I can plant a rainbow, plant a rainbow, plant a rainbow too. So you can plant a rainbow of foods. So we've got red foods like strawberries, tomatoes, peppers, pomegranates. Yep, lots of red, cherries. We've got orange foods like oranges, orange peppers, apricots, maybe that are peaches, kind of grapefruits. Yellow foods like bananas. We've got lemons, yellow apples, yellow peppers. Yep. We have green food, lots of green foods like cucumber, pickles, kiwi, grapes, peppers, avocado, limes. Yum. Hope you're not hungry. We have blue foods like pretty much blueberries. And then purple foods like purple onion. We've got eggplant. We've got purple grapes, plums. Yum, 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 yum. Are you hungry? I know I'm getting a little hungry. So to plant those, they grow in different places. So we're going to have to move because we're set up over here. So we're going to look at where things grow. All right, I'm just going to show it. We've got vine, tree, ground, vine, tree, ground. Where does it grow? Where does it grow? All right, let's look at these. Some foods grow with a vine running through. Look at that vine. Yeah, we've got grapes, tomatoes, watermelon, things like that. Some foods grow on a tree, it's true. Lots of fruits grow on trees like apples and oranges and bananas. Some foods grow in or on the ground too. Potatoes and carrots, things like that. Vine, tree, ground, vine, tree, ground. All right. Hey guys. All right, so you're going to help me decide where things grow. Sound good? Let's see. So let's see. You know what? I'm going to put you on a chair so I can see you too. Okay, guys. Okay. So let's look at Let's do this one first. Where do oranges grow? Where do oranges grow? What do you think? Have you ever seen an orange tree? I have. Yep. They grow on a tree. They grow on a tree. They do. Oranges grow on trees. Boop. How about where do grapes grow? It's in one of the pictures. Where do grapes grow? They grow on a vine. They do. They grow on a vine. Look at that. Yeah, you can have green grapes or purple grapes or even black grapes, I think. How about where do tomatoes grow? Where do tomatoes grow? Did you see them in the same picture? They grow on a vine. They do. They grow on a vine. There they are. Do you like tomatoes? All right. Let's see what grows in the ground. Where do potatoes grow? Where do potatoes grow? They grow in the ground. They grow in the ground. They do. They grow underground. You got to dig them up. Now, some of these foods grow on the ground. Look at this. Where do pineapples grow? Where do pineapples grow? Look at that picture of all those pineapples. They grow on the ground because they're so heavy, right? They grow on the ground. So does lettuce. Lettuce grows on the ground, not underground, but on the ground. Onions grow underground, and so do sweet potatoes. Yeah. Let's look at the trees. What grows on a tree? What grows on a tree? There's lemons, cherries, and coconuts. Yeah. Pears, bananas, avocados. Yep. And then we had orange and apple on the front. Yep. And then blueberries and raspberries kind of grow on a bush. And then what's left on the vine? We've got watermelons, pumpkins, strawberries. Yeah, those are some things that grow on vines. So you could grow a garden of food at your house and you wouldn't even have to go to the grocery store that much. That's pretty cool, huh? All right, friends, I think that is it for us today. Thanks for joining me in talking about plants and flowers and food and all the things that grow. I will see you again next time. See if you can find something that grows outside.